Hi guys, Tara here in the craft cabin. Hope you're keeping well. Just want to show you what we are doing in our box frame class. So if you would like to make a box frame for a special occasion or a special person, this is the class for you. So just want to show you some samples that we did. So this one here, this is done as a little baby one. So love this one. So Scrabble tiles are always really popular for box frames, and we sell loads of them in here. So Scrabble tiles, we have little wooden embellishments. We have paper crafts, so even doing like little flowers as well, making little bunting, putting a picture inside. So very simple, but we can help you create something like this. Or if you want to do something a little bit more abstract, so something like this here, which has this lovely tree in it, and again using some paper effects and some metal embellishments as well, so that could be possible. This one here, actually, this one lights up, so it has a battery pack with it. I don't know if you'll be able to see the lights on it, but again, something quite simple. So we've decoupaged on the outside of it a map, and yeah, so just a number inside, so for a special birthday, or perhaps you would like to do something more like this. So again, this is more of a paper craft one, so there's a little bit of cutting, fussy cutting, and then making your own type of flowers as well. So yeah, so you could make something similar to this here. So it's a 4-hour class. We literally have a table laden down with all types of embellishments and flowers and goodies and sparkly stuff and lots of bits and pieces. So you create your own design on the day and come up with something just as beautiful as we have created. So if you'd like more information, or if you want to book, you can pop onto our website, pop into the shop even, or ask us a question on Facebook.